The lesser-known drawbacks of juicing. Let's dive into the controversial side of this popular health trend. Drawback 1. Nutrient imbalance. Juicing fruits and vegetables can lead to a high sugar intake and low fiber content, causing blood sugar spikes and hunger pangs. Always balance your juices with protein-rich foods and whole fruits and vegetables to avoid this pitfall. Drawback 2. The dirty truth about produce. Pesticides on non-organic fruits and vegetables can end up in your juice, potentially causing health risks. Opt for organic produce, or wash and peel your fruits and veggies thoroughly before juicing. Drawback 3. Hidden calories. While juices can be nutrient-dense, they can also be calorie-dense. Be mindful of portion sizes and avoid overindulging in high-calorie juices that may hinder your weight loss goals. Drawback 4. The cost factor. Juicing can be an expensive habit, with high-quality juicers and fresh produce costs adding up quickly. Be conscious of your budget and consider blending as an alternative to juicing to get similar benefits at a lower cost. Drawback 5. Environmental impact. The juicing process generates food waste and plastic waste from store-bought juices. To minimize your ecological footprint, use a masticating juicer, repurpose your juice pulp, and choose reusable containers for your homemade juices. While juicing has its advantages, it's essential to be aware of its potential drawbacks. Balance your juicing journey with a well-rounded diet and eco-conscious choices to make the most out of this health trend. Stay informed and happy juicing.